Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another work week of my life. Just made some coffee because today is Wednesday and I'm working from home. I'm convinced I'm never going to be able to start a vlog on a Monday as much as I try. It's always the plan, but it never works out that way. So this past weekend was 4th of July weekend, so we had off work Monday. And yesterday I also worked from home and I really didn't do anything besides work. And then we laid on the couch and watched TV all night. So super lazy day. There wasn't really anything to vlog. It's still really hot. So today is another work from home day. There's not gonna be anyone in the office. We're actually closed to the public, so everyone's kind of working from home. And then yesterday was just a matter of coming off a holiday weekend and then knowing I wasn't coming in today, it just made sense to stay home. I thought about going in, but another thing that helped make my decision is that I'm actually without a phone. Mini story time. I haven't had a phone since Saturday and today's Wednesday. I lost it off a boat while we were scalloping. So we went with some of John's friends to go scalloping up a little bit north of where we are. We got on the boat and we rode out there, everything was good, and even we were out there for a little bit and I kept my phone under the compartment in my bag anyways because I didn't have service, there wasn't really any point. And one of the guys got something out of the compartment and I was like, oh, let me just check it for a second. Of course, my luck. So I took it out, tried to see if I have service, and I didn't, so I stood up with it to walk around the front of the boat and then put it back in my bag. And just within 5 seconds of me standing up and walking around, I don't even know, it's I didn't trip, I didn't do anything, and it just flew out of my hand into the water. So then I literally just jumped in right after it, which probably wasn't the best idea because I jumped onto it and then probably kicked underneath it, so then it was even harder to find. It was only 5 or 6 feet deep water, but there was actually really tall grass there. So everyone hopped in with their snorkels and we were looking for 10 minutes and I was like, it's a lost cause. Don't even bother looking for it. We had already drifted from where we were. So yeah, it was really sad. I've never done anything like that. So I guess there's a first for everything. And I had actually just gotten that phone maybe 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Well, it was just a replacement for my regular 12 Pro that I had. I was having issues with the camera. So Apple ended up just giving me a new one. And that was a couple weeks ago. And then I just threw the one off the boat. Thankfully, we found out we actually had insurance on the phone, so I was working on doing the claim online since Saturday, and they just finalized it all, and it should be getting here today. So yeah, I had to wait over the weekend and the holiday, which obviously made it take longer. Yeah, I've been trekking along without a phone, and it's felt really weird. I feel super disconnected from life, but honestly, it was probably a good thing, kind of a little detox. Yeah, so I didn't want to be out and about yesterday without a phone and just driving without contact for anybody, but it should be getting here today. We finally got the email tracking update saying it's out for delivery, so fingers crossed. I did have to pay a deductible for it, but way cheaper than getting a new phone, and I think I would have had to pay off that phone before getting a new phone, which was still $500 I owe on the phone or something. So that would not have been fun. So at least I was just able to get it replaced. And other things this week, we actually just booked our flights last night to go to North Carolina next week to see John's family. So that's also the reason I'm not vlogging next week. I usually would, based on my schedule, but we're just gonna be at his parents' house, working from home the whole week. So there definitely wouldn't be that much to vlog. So yeah, I figured I would go ahead and do it this week, and this might be posted a little bit later. Yeah, so other than that, I'm gonna have to be prepping up for the trip. I have to get my nails done one day this week. I thought about going today, but I might go tomorrow or Friday, and I will go into the office tomorrow and Friday. So I kind of had the beginning of the week working from home, and I'm gonna get started on my day here, and I'll probably update when my phone comes. So my phone isn't here yet. I'm gonna take a little break to put in some laundry and make the bed. Yeah, I was debating even doing laundry yet because we're gonna want to be packing over the weekend. So I'm in this weird place of doing laundry now, but we might have to do it again before we leave. But I think I'm just gonna get done what we have, and then I might have to do laundry again later this week. This is what John does when he takes a little break. He's been on his golfing kick, and then he decides to use my little decor glass thing from Hobby Lobby as a, what do you call that? A golf? What do you call that? Just the hole? Golf hole?
Yeah.
Also, the other day we built this thing. We got it at Target. We kept looking at the ones at IKEA, these little cubby things. And I think Target pretty much has the same thing. They were $80 or something. And then the other day we found them at Target and they were on sale for $37 or something. So we got one of these big wooden organizer things for really cheap. This is what we had in here before, just these pull out things. So we want to get rid of these obviously once we organize this, but for now we just put them back on top because we don't really know what we're going to put Here, I guess we have to find like some cubby organizers. And then this is all like wedding stuff still. I want to find like a big trunk to put all the wedding stuff in, and then we can obviously organize this more office-like. It's a little bit messy, but we actually put my bed together. Well, this was like my bed from my parents' house, and now it's like our guest bed. And at least we like wash the sheets and put it together, but of course we just like jump around and it's all messed up.
I mean, no.
Oh, what? I didn't get it on video.
No.
We can almost host guests, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I didn't talk about those things. The Dollar Tree things. So in my last video, I think last video, I organized everything. Like I did a big cleaning organizing, including the linen closet. And I had these little like baskets from the Dollar Tree. Clearly they're gone now because I think I might have mentioned they had like a really weird smell. They like smelled disgusting. So I was like, and I let them air out and nothing really changed. So I decided to put them in the washing machine, which was a terrible idea, even though they were fabric. So I thought it'd be fine. And they completely exploded with this like nasty substance, like this mushy, smelled disgusting stuff. And it got all in the washer, and John cleaned it, thankfully. So he got it all out of the washer. But yeah, if you buy those, just don't buy them, because for one, they stink, and then you try and clean them and they explode in your washing machine. So I'm looking for new baskets. I had bought them before for the bridesmaid, like my bridesmaid boxes. I used them as like a big carrier, like, and I put stuff in that like basket, and they were fine. They never smelled or anything. And then once this happened, I like looked at reviews, and people are saying like, I guess recently they started smelling so bad. So don't even waste your time. New phone has been secured, and John already got my screen protector on, and I had the case that I was trying to put on my old phone, and thank God I didn't put it on before we went because I literally lost it the next day. So I had that case already, and we used like one of the last screen protectors, I guess. But either way, I'm set to go. We got it activated, and I have to figure out like it all connecting to my computer and watch and stuff. But for the most part, everything's back. I was actually able to have like my notes and contacts and stuff was backed up in iCloud. But I of course just like lost all my messages. Pictures I already have backed up in Google, so it's fine that it's not like actually on the phone. And then I just have to download like all my apps and stuff. But yeah, I think we're gonna actually go to the gym. It's already like 6, but we'd still be back around 7, and we can just have dinner here. I mean, we're supposed to go to the gym. Are we gonna get up?
Wait on you.
I feel way more energized today. Yesterday I didn't, but today I feel better. I wonder why.
Because you got your phone back. I give you like 24 hours.
For what?
And you're going to drop it.
Wow. Well, at least now I know I have insurance.
Ooh.
Back from the gym. Good workout.
Oh, yeah.
And chicken lime bowls for dinner. Yeah, so good. Happy Thursday. I'm heading out for work. I just got ready. I ended up washing my hair last night, so I was able to do like fresh curls. I feel like it looks really nice. I'm doing something different with my shirt. I'm like leaving it open. I usually just do this as a button up, but I thought this looked kind of cute. So I'm about to head out, and I think I'm just coming straight home after work because I actually want to film a different video. So I should just be back after that. Just finished filming my video. We're having chicken parm for dinner. It's always just a sequence of me going, what's for dinner? And then showing you, and then being like, yum. It is yum.
You're welcome.
Yeah, Johnny cooked while I was filming. Headed out for work, just a comfy cardigan Friday. I actually have to go to the post office on my way into work to run a work errand. So I'm gonna do that first, and then I'll be heading into the office. So we're headed to the gym. Usually I just meet John there. I'll like change my car and we just meet at the gym, but I decided to come home first, and we're gonna take one car because we impromptu decided to go to the movies after. We were always gonna get dinner probably out tonight because we didn't really plan anything, and so we're gonna go get a workout in first so we can undo it all with tacos and popcorn and such, but it'll be worth it. It's Friday. Gotta live a little, right?
Just a little.
It's funny, one of my friends at work, she was saying that she was going to the movies tonight, and I was like, that actually sounds really fun. So I told John, and we're gonna go see Elvis. Yeah, so it would be between Elvis and Thor, but that just came out, so we might as well go see Elvis because we never saw it. But at least we're getting our workout in. So it's actually Saturday now. I figured since I didn't have a ton of footage from the beginning of this week, I figured I might as well put this week's vlog into Saturday. So I'm on my way to get my nails done. I almost planned to go yesterday after work, but of course we ended up not doing that, and we went to the gym and the movies. So I'm gonna go ahead and go now. I'm also gonna get some coffee from, I think I showed it in my last vlog. It's one of our like favorite local places now, and I actually have a free drink through the app. So I'm gonna get that, get my nails done. It's a little bit later than I wanted to go. It's like 12:30. But yeah, I was just kind of lazy this morning. John left early to go play golf. I think he left at like 7 in the morning. And I thought I'd maybe get up at like 9, but I kind of just laid around. But yeah, the movie was good last night. I liked it. I thought Austin Butler played a good Elvis. At first I was like not understanding, but I thought it was really good. I have no idea what I want to do for my nails really. I don't know why I turned here. I went down this like really windy road. As you can probably see, I have just like the, it wasn't even French. We just did like really sheer over the tip, so it like looked like French, but they're so grown out. And I broke the thumb off at work like, not even like a week ago. And everyone got fixed, so I figured I'd just go now before a trip. Even though it's not like really necessary, I fell into the whole like, feel like I have to get them done every time now rather than just like go without nails for a little bit. Just because I feel like if I have something coming up, I hate having to worry about like my nails being painted or something. So it's easier to just have them on. But yeah, I'm running out of ideas. So I usually like to keep it pretty neutral. So I'm sure I'll pick some kind of nude. But I'm so excited for my coffee. I feel like super tired and low energy. Wait, why am I turning? I'm supposed to go straight. Just got my coffee. So good. And the nail place is literally in this parking lot, so super convenient. So I'm back home, got my nails done. They turned out really pretty. Like I said, I just went with like a nude color. It actually turned out a little bit lighter than I expected. I feel like they always, like it always looks darker on like the swatch, and then when they do it, it's a little bit lighter. But I still think it's really pretty. Just like a basic nude, because I think next time I'm going to do more like a white color. So the shape and length is perfect. This is pretty much like my natural nail length now, which is great, except like they had to add for my thumb. So yeah, really happy with them. We don't really have any more plans for the rest of the day. John's actually taking a nap since he was up so early. So probably just gonna like clean around here and kind of relax the rest of the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this full week of my life vlog, even though it was like barely working. But still, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.